Louisville has seen a spike in violent crime, including a record number of homicides, but some feel that the state gives more rights to offenders than to victims. Wave 3 News reporter Andreina Sentliver talked to a family who explained what they're doing to change that.
There's not a day that goes by that I don't think about him and what happened.
Stella Moore's grandson, Skylar Ray, was shot in May of 2016 inside a Lexington bar. Skylar was paralyzed from the neck down and died in September. Leslie L. Parson was arrested for the shooting.
The hard part was trying to find out information about when the trial was going to be of this man that was accused of the shooting. Apparently the family will not be allowed to say anything during the trial.
Through the loss of her grandson, Moore found out Kentucky is one of 15 states to not provide constitutional protections to crime victims. From the time a crime occurs, offenders are protected by an array of constitutional rights, like the right to an attorney and Miranda rights. On the other side of a crime, Moore and other victims are not guaranteed notice of court proceedings or the right to be heard in court, just to name a few.
Offenders have a higher level of legal protection than victims do. So that's what this bill is intended to do, is to kind of right that wrong and to, level the scales of justice.
Ashlea Christiansen is leading the efforts to get Marsy's law on the 2018 ballot. The bill needs to be heard and passed in the House and the Senate. Currently, Christiansen has rallied the support of more than 19,000 Kentuckians who want a victim's Bill of Rights written into the state constitution.
Most people, until they are unfortunately dragged into the justice system, they don't realize that cases, they're not their case, but it's the Commonwealth's case.
Moore does not know if Marsy's law will pass soon enough to affect her case, but she stands in support for other families.
This is something I can do in his memory, something that I can't bring him back, but I can certainly fight for victims' families and their rights to participate in the justice system.
Reporting in Simpsonville, Andreina Sentliver, Wave 3 News.
The state director wants to hear from more victims. We have the contact information on our website at wave3.com.